चाकू खोपना को बोलते हैं स्टैब। चाकू खोपना को बोलते हैं स्टैब। सुकड़ना को बोलती हैं श्रिंक। और दंगा फसाद जो कि लोग गलियों में शहरों में कर रहे होती हैं उसको बोलती हैं रॉयट। और इसके साथ भड़काना को बोलती हैं इनसाइट। और इसी तरह सफाई करने वाले को बोलते हैं स्वीपर। और जो माली होता है उसको बोलते हैं गार्डिनर। और लास्ट वन एक झलक देखना, एक नज़र देखना, झलक देखना, उसको बोलते हैं ग्लिम्स। In the beginning you have to memorize a very basic words. Those are used in our informals, in our easy atmospheres, such as we can communicate with our friends, with our family members. But gradually you have to move towards the high frequency words. When you move towards the high frequency words, then you can communicate in formal conversations, as well as you can communicate with different sort of the official meetings as well. So it's really important, because someone says that a journey of million miles start with a single step. We have to start with a single step, then gradually we move towards the depth of this journey. Thank you so much. Stay tuned, and if you want to be a fluent in speaking English, also visit my Rapid English Mastery course based on 10 days. This course will give you a massive knowledge about the basics of speaking English.